Tired of sales leads slipping through the cracks? Let's transform that sales chaos into a streamlined closing machine using Trello in just 90 seconds. First, create a new board in Trello and name it Sales Pipeline. This is your sales command center. Now, let's build our pipeline stages. Add these lists leads, where all your potential customers start. Qualified, for leads that meet your criteria. Proposal sent, when you've sent them an offer. Negotiation, for deals in discussion. Closed won, the sweet victory column. And closed lost, for deals that didn't pan out. Next, create a card for each lead. In the leads column, include key information like their contact details, company name, and how you source them. Think of each card as a mini Chrome entry. As you qualify leads, simply drag their cards to the qualified column. This visual representation makes it easy to see your progress at a glance. Once you've sent a proposal, move the card to the proposal sent column. Add a due date for follow-up, a checklist of proposal elements to track, and even attach the proposal document directly to the card. Trello's collaboration features are a game-changer. Assign team members to specific cards, leave comments to discuss strategy, and track progress together. When a deal closes, celebrate by dragging the card to the closed won column. Analyze your closed lost deals to learn from your losses and improve your strategy. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful sales pipeline built in Trello, transforming your sales process into a well-oiled machine. Start visualizing your sales process, collaborating effectively, and closing more deals today.